So hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. There are just a few things that I want to update about the market, and let's end this video in just 5 to 10 minutes. So let's see. So in today's discussion, I want to delve into the nuance of stock market investing, particularly focusing when it is not a best time to invest in the market. So especially in the large quantities, this is a particular relevant topic right now because the market are displaying greed. It was rebounding, and many individuals are again jumping into the market under the assumption of an endless bull run. It's very crucial to understand when you should sell off the stocks, or when you should hold off on the stock purchases, and whether in the current market conditions are you know conducive to investing. So let's break it down, okay? So let me start examining the Nifty 50 50 chart, and we witnessed an upward trend with a mini bull run with a significant gains. However, since then the market has been trending in sideways. Now it's been trading within a channel, attempting to a breakdown. So breakout, but struggling to do so. If you see here, currently it's hovering around a very crucial support level. During such times, it's essential to gauge whether the Nifty will break above the channel or potentially signifying a breakout, or if it will be dip below, indicating a breakdown. So alternative, it might continues trading the same channel, and you should understand in the macroeconomic viewpoint, is it going to break down, or it's going to break down, or it may be continuing in this channel. So in the broad context, if you see, there are a lot of positive things has happened already. So if you see the interest rate cuts, it also factored in election results. Many people think that BJP will come to the power again, so it is also factored in, and there are these are all already factored in into the market. However, it doesn't guarantee you that the current market will be continuing its balance. See, all the positive factors are factored in. If you see the risk reward ratio, then the risk reward ratio is risk is very high, and reward is very less. If something happens, and if BJP, yeah, it is less possibility, but there are a lot of elections in 2004, in 2008. There are other people thought one government will be coming into the power, but unfortunately the other government came, and you saw the significant correction after the election results. So it is very crucial to understand that all good news are factored in, and if you see, there are elections in the US also. So in these circumstances, we need to acknowledge the possibility of somewhere around 12% market correction. If you see the next support level also, it is somewhere around 12%, 7% one of the support level, and 12% is the another support level from the current levels. Okay, so looking ahead, as a Nifty will be consolidating for the next few weeks before the election results. So from for the next few weeks until the June 6th, what happens on the June 6th is the other topic, but from now to then, I think the Nifty will be consolidating in the range of -5 to +5% until the election results came. In such scenarios, what should you do is that never invest in the in a lump sum amount. Okay, so if you want to invest in the market, just do SIPs. Make sure that you pick some very good stocks, and you just invest in that stocks, or in enter just enter into the Nifty 50. Keep SIP. Just don't invest in a lump sum amount, because there is a possibility of 12% correction in the market. Okay, so for stability, you should do SIP, and never in this circumstance, you should not consider investing in the small and mid caps. Why I'm saying this? Because small and mid caps are very volatile in nature. So if you want to invest in the small and mid cap, make sure that you entered into the specific stock, and make sure that it is posting good results, and maybe look for the long term. So in short term, maybe the mid and small caps will be very volatile. Okay, so if you have a decent portfolio, if you had invested a lot of money, just sit and relax, pause your investments for 1 month or 2 months. Let's see what happens after June 6th, and maybe in 8 months there are US elections also. If you see that results also, it is important, because what happens in the US will affect whole world, right? So that's important, and just see what happens on the June 6th, and let's see, should we continue investing, or let's pause the investment. So make sure that you had sufficient funds for the next few weeks. And if you see private banks, there are a lot of good opportunities present. For example, Kotak Mahindra, HDFC Bank. There are Bajaj Finance. There are a lot of good opportunities. Hindustan Unilever. These are all good opportunities present in the large cap, and you may see, check the P ratios, PB ratios, and EPS, and then you may enter into the particular stocks which are very good enough, and avoid trying to time the market. It is not a good time to time the market. If you think that I will be selling the whole portfolio and re-enter it again after 2 weeks, because it always consolidates, or maybe people can't guess what happens in the next day or next few weeks. So never, it's not good idea to sell your portfolio and re-enter the portfolio after 4 to 5 weeks. It's a big uncertainty. So I think it's a very risky strategy, and the risk reward ratio is not suitable for you. And as I said, keep sufficient amount of funds, because the market is all about uncertainty. So make sure that you have a sufficient amount of funds. Anticipate, as I said, anticipate 12 to 13% of correction. Make sure you invest in that dip, and then let's see. So despite short-term volatility, the overall market is not overvalued. This is all about FIs taking a lot of money out of the market, Indian market, and maybe I don't know, but maybe they pushing money into some other markets which has a very good opportunities. So this is the things I want to say. Remember, it's normal for markets to fluctuate. Don't obsess over a daily movements. Focus on the focus on things that you can control, and make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please press the like button. Thank you, guys.